Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, sokhumbula ukuthi ngomhla ka-16 December 2024 umkhonto wesizwe party bowucelebrate i-1 year anniversary. Kunezinto ezashiwo uFloyd ke lapho kukhona eyodwa esiyenzekile sizokhuluma ngayo. Ezinye indaba ezimnandi siphumile isinqumo izolo ngendaba ye-Ithala Bank. Saripotha ngayo ekuqaleni siphumile ke isinqumo izolo MEC we-Finance KwaZulu Natal uRogers ubhali letter la sizoyifunda lo letter. Ngiyakhumbula ngoba einsukwini nje ezedlule kunevideo engiyenzile la bengikhuluma khona ngesinqumo esizathathwa uEnoch Godongwana sokuthi abhalele iReserve Bank athi ukhipha 2.2 billion basecure imali zabantu abadepositile ukuze zikhishwe ziziye kwelinye ibank. MEC wavela wathi hayi lesinqumo esithathwa uGodongwana kahambelani naso ngoba bebevumelana ukuthi bazobonisana ukuze babone ukuthi balisave kanjani iIthala Bank. Into engijabulisayo ngendaba yeIthala iyodwa ukuthi imisebenzi yabantu ngoba iIthala Bank kunabantu abawu400 ebebezophelelwa imisebenzi. Ngijatshuliswa ukuthi abantu abawu400 sebezobuyela emsebenzini. Nansi nje into enza ukuthi ngijabule. Even though ngena family member ngena relative esebenza kwiIthala Bank, kodwa ngoba angifisi ukubona abantu bakithi behlupheka. Ngiyangifise sengathi singaphumelela sonke noma singaba nesu lokuphila sonke noma kuthiwa ke siphile average ingathiwa siyahlupheka. Kodwa nje uma kuthi umuntu uyasebenza it doesn't matter uhola imali encane kangakanani kodwa uyasebenza. Iyona nje into engijabulisayo. Sizoqala ngalo ngaphambi singene nje kokwenziwa uFloyd nansi sizoqala ngale statement lesi. Ngiyacela ke subscribe ku channel, ulike ivideo, comment, ushare. Ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kakho ngalolu daba. Ungasupporta ngokujoin membership yale channel eqala ku R40 ngenyanga kuyaphezulu. Okanye ungasidonatela ngalokho nakho kwi-account. Account ikhona kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ngicela ukuthi sibheke le statement kodwa nje umoya wami ujabulile. Jajuliswe ukuthi nje isinqumo sivunile iIthala Bank. iIthala Bank linikeziwe imvume ukuthi aliqhubekele operate nje operate. Nasi statement. Istatement lesi siphume ngolesihlanu lomhla ka9 May 2025. Isihloko sithi KZN Finance MEC statement on court ruling in Ithala matter. Sifundeka kanje. uMEC weFinance yaKwaZulu Natal uMr Francois Rogers wamkela iruling noma isinqumo esibe against uJohannes Kruger we-South African Reserve Bank ebeyimbekile i-Repayment Administrator odabeni olufaka iThala SOT Ltd. Uthi-ke kwi-judgment noma kwisinqumo esikhishwe izolo ngolesihlanu ePietermaritzburg Division of KwaZulu Natal High Court, ijaji uMuzi Ncube urule ukuthi uMr Kruger akanalo ilungelo lokutake over ama-operation wansuku zonke kanye nemanagement yeIthala. Isinqumo lesi silandela ama-proceeding wenkantolo lawa alaleliwe. Shuthi izethulo lezenkantolo ezilaleliwe kwi-Labour Court eDurban ngoMarch 17, 2025. uMEC uRogers wa-attenda ama-proceeding lawa. Emveni kwalapho wayesememezela publicly ukuthi kufanele kuhlalwe phansi kuzama ukuthi kuziwe nesixazululo la esizoba in favor of iKZN, iThala kanye nabantu abafaka imali zabo lapha ebank. Ijaji uNcube uclarifyile ukuthi uMr Kruger akanamvume yokutake over ihuman resource, i-treasure, i-marketing, i-finance kanye namanye ama-operations akhona we-Ithala. Iboard alisaphuciwa amandla alo. Bathi lokhu kufana nokuthi kuthula umthwalo kwi-KZN Government of Provincial Unity okugovernment obusa ngokubambisana kanye neIthala nabantu abadeposite kwiIthala lapha bebalwela. Bathi ke manje iIthala livumelekile ukuthi liqhubeke nama-operations walo noma ke besafaka i-application ephikisana nale kaMr Kruger yokuthi applyela ukuthi liquidate iIthala. So bafake bona application ukuthi lingaliquidate. Kusuka manje iIthala litholile imvume ukuthi liqhubeke lenze yonke ama-transaction lawo elivumelekile ukuthi lwenze. Okubala kuwo ukukhokhela ama-salaries nemali efuneka ikhokhelwe ama-suppliers. Batho kubhlungu ukuthi isenzo sika Mr Kruger lesi sambe sonke lesikhathi sisilethe ubhlungu kubantu laba abadeposite imali zabo. Sona amabhizinisi amancane akhona kwiprovince futhi sanqandela ithala ukuthi lingakwazi ukusebenza kahle. Emveni kokuphuma kwalesinqumo ku-MEC Rogers uthi ngesikhathi sonke besihlale sikubeka ukuthi uMr Kruger akaza acte in the best of interest of ithala kanye nabantu abadeposite imali zabo lapha. Kufanele kukhunjulwe njalo ukuthi lokhu kungokwesibili ijaji uNcube esho ukuthi uMr Kruger usebenzisa amandla akhe nendaweni la kungafanele khona. Utho kubhlungu kunakho konke siconcern ukuthi omunye omonakalo owenzwe lesenzo sika Mr Kruger isifaka enkingeno engeke ezinye zazi inkinga ezisifake kuzo akuselula ukuthi zireverseke. Qhubeka bathi kulindelekile ukuthi uMr Kruger mhlambe uzofake appeal azama ukuphikisana nalesinqumo sika Judge uNcube. Kodwa uMEC Rogers kanye nabanye abaku GPU leaders Government of Provincial Unity bathi bona cha abanankinga bathukile. Bathi futhi iGPU Government of Provincial Unity isazibophezele kwesinqumo sokuthi bazowenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ithala liya survive. Ileyo izindaba ke bengithi angizilethe la ngaphambi kwanje sidlulele endabeni le yalento ayithengiswa uFloyd. Kodwa nje lezi zindaba ezinhle kakhulu eziphuma izolo. Asingeneke odabeni lolo lika Floyd. Ngiyacela kodwa ni like ivideo. Yazi mangibheka ama views. Bona ama views maningi kodwa ama likes mancane. Ngiyacela nje ni like ivideo. Noma ungayilike ungakayibuki ke, ni like nje le video ukuze izobonwa ngabantu. Ukulike nokukhomenta kusiza ekutheni ne-algorithm ithathe le video idlulisele kubantu abaningi. Ilokho nje ngicelayo ukuthi yebo niyabuka kodwa ni like phela ne video ne comment nakhona ukuze i-algorithm izothatha le video idlulisele kubantu abaningi. uFloyd ngesikhathi ekhuluma kweGaladina wakhuluma kanje.
So despite the fact that the MK has got access to some resources that are allocated by Parliament because we are represented in 7 of the 9 provincial legislatures, our financial obligations, because we are at formative stages, will be far much more greater. We have to still establish the provincial offices in all the 9 provinces. And we have to establish regional offices like brick and mortar offices in all the 54 regions or districts in South Africa.
Akuveza uFloyd la ukuthi noma ikhona imali abayithola eParliament kodwa indleka abanazo iningi kakhulu ngoba njengoba bese sesigabeni la sokuqala ukuthi isafonywa kahle leli qembu. Ngakho ke into abazoyenza nje ukuqala nje efuneka bayenze ukuthi kwakhiwa ama-office brick and mortar. Shuthi ama-office uzokwazi ukuthi mawufuna ukuya kuma-office omkhonto wesizwe wazi ukuthi uzosuka uye khona. Asiqhubeke nayo.
So here in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, we still have to establish an office in Mkhanyakude, in Zululand, in Ugu, in Ilembe, in Mzinyathi, in Amajuba, here in eThekwini, in uThukela. In all the 11 regions of KwaZulu-Natal, we need to have presence. In the Eastern Cape, we still need to have brick and mortar offices in Jokabi region in Alwal North, in Krisani region in Komani, in Alfred Nzo, in Amatole, in OR Tamba districts, in Nelson Mandela Bay municipality in Buffalo City. In Limpopo, we still have to establish offices in Mopani region, in Vembe, in Waterberg, in Capricorn, in Sekhukhune. We still need to have offices in all the 3 regions of Mpumalanga, of Nhlanzeni, of Nkangala, of Hertzband. We still need to have offices in the northwest regions of the doctors of Dr. Ruth Skhomotsi Mapante region, of Ngaka Mudirimelema region, of Dr. Kenneth Kaunda region and Bojanala. We still have to have offices in all the regions of Northern Cape, in Francis Bard, which is around Kimberley. We have to have proper offices in Pixley, in Namakwa, in ZF Mkau, and in John Taule Gaitewe region. We still have to have offices in the whole of Western Cape, in Central Karoo, in the Southern Cape, in Overberg, in the West Coast, in the Cape Winelands, and in Cape Metro. We still need to have offices in Gauteng, in Tshwane, in Sedibeng, in Johannesburg, in Ekurhuleni, and in the West Rand. And all of those offices should have staff members, must be accessible to the people, must interact with the people from time to time, must be where people go to consult and be in contact with Mkhonto Wesizwe. And offices are just the point of contact of an otherwise huge organization. But also on top of all these offices which we're going to establish in all corners of South Africa, we still have to prepare to take over all the municipalities in the local government elections of 2026.
Isizathu esikhulu esenza ukuthi ngenze le video ukuthi ngithema ngibona le video engizoyicaphuna manje ngase ngikhumbula ukuthi hayibo uFloyd wayekhulumile ngalento le ukuthi izokwenzeka. Ingakho ngithi asiqale sibuyele emumva sikhumbuzane. Okunye ayekushilo kuGaladino ukuthi njengoba iconstitution seyikhona bayi-adopt sekuzoba khona ama-detachments ngempela siwabonile la appointwe khona abantu kwaqala kwaba ne-structure kumkhonto wesizwe na yonke lento le. So leyo nto le wayisho kwiGaladina babuya bayenza bayi-implementa saba khona i-structure njengoba sikhona manje la ubekhuluma ngama-office abazowakha esho ukuthi azokwahlukana ngey'ndawo. Yebo wakakhiwa wona kodwa selikhona okukhombisa ukuthi akumiwe kuyasetshenzwa. Njengoba ethi wona lama-office azoba nabantu abazosebenza phakathi ngoba inhloso yabo ukuthi abantu bakwazi uku-access umkhonto wesizwe phakathi. Uma befuna umkhonto wesizwe phakathi bakwazi ukuqonda kulama-office. Ngicela ubone la. Noma ngingalazi ukuthi likuphi nomgwaqo leli office kodwa uyabona ukuthi i-office elisasetshenzwa kodwa seliya ngasemaphethelweni. Bengithi nje angilethele ukuthi ezinye zezinto ezathenjiswa uFloyd ukuthi bazozenza le yokuqala eshilo yama-structure sebeyenzile. Eyesibili le ye-office sebeqalile bayasebenza. Nalaba abalwayo sengathi bangayiyeka lento zabo kusengconywana-ke kulezi nsuku. Ayikaqali lento ukuthi sibone kancane kancane abantu bomkhonto wesizwe phansi sebeya trenda for into ezi-wrong. Kodwa nje bengithi angikulethele la uze wazi ukuthi akumiwe kukhona okwenzakalayo. Ngiyacela-ke ukuthi subscribe ku-channel, like i-video, comment. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwi-video elandelayo. Ngoba into ebengifuna ukulethela nendaba yethala ngiyifakile. Nale ndaba ukuthi ngikutshengisa ukuthi into uFloyd ayikhulume ngayo njengoba dumuzwa laphaya. Hayi baphekwayo ngempela kuyasetshenzwa kumiwe. Ngiyabonga.